horrific crash caught on camera, killing 5 people, including a baby and a pregnant woman, plus injuring 8, according to authorities. The cars erupting in flames.
Saw things flying in the air and the explosion. All of a sudden, there was a baby flew in the air all the way from the middle of the road to my pump, landed on the floor.
The destruction widespread, with dozens of first responders rushing to the scene. Of the 8 people injured, 6 were minors, including a 13-month-old baby. Most were treated at Ron.